Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great and I am wishing you a very happy Diwali and a lovely year ahead. I hope you guys all the safety and very good health and all the prosperity in the world. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this festive look that I'm wearing right now, and I've used a very few number of products. It is also very easy and quick. The only thing that I have been wanting to tell you is that I am obsessed with this look, guys. This is the third time I am doing this look with another color. If you see my Instagram post, I have done the same look using a blue eyeshadow pencil, again from K Beauty, and you will also see the same look where I've used a brown kajal pencil, and this is the third time where I'm using a green kajal pencil. So guys, this is such an easy and quick makeup look. You must try it during Diwali. And now let's get started, but please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now let me show you how I did this makeup. Like always, I'm going to start with my brows first, and I'm using the Nykaa Brow On Point Microfine Pencil. This is in the shade Wicked Wand, and I'm going to go with the spoolie side first, comb the hair off my brows, and then with the pencil side, I'm going to fill in my brows completely. I'm going to start with the tail of my brows, make a line downward and upward from the brows, and then I'm going to fill in the tail first, going on to the centers of my brows. The best way to fill in your brows is to create an outline first and then just fill it in, just like how we do coloring or we teach the kids coloring. And now for the front portion of my brows, I just like to raise them a little bit, and I just like to go in vertical stripes so that it gives a natural yet fuller look. I also like to go back and forth to my spoolie and comb the hair off my brows because I can see the empty spaces and refill them if I have left out any. Once I'm done with the brows, I'm going to take the NYX eyeshadow base, and with my ring finger, I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid. And the reason that I'm doing this is that it'll cancel out all the discoloration and also the color of the veins that can be seen all over my eyelid. Another reason that I like doing this is that it will also enhance the color of the eyeshadow that we will be applying. As you can see, I'm applying it with my fingers, unlike the other videos where I apply it with a brush, because this look is all about creating it in a quick and a simple manner, and that's why I'm applying it with my finger. The only trick you need to keep in mind while applying it with your finger is that you need to create an even base and you don't want uneven products on your eyelid. Next, I'm taking the Prep Me Up primer from Nykaa, and I'm just going to apply it closest to my nose because that's where the pores are, and I'm not going to apply it all over my face. The reason is that, this is a no foundation look and I don't want like my primer showing, even though this is an invisible primer. I'm just going to apply a little bit where my pores are, and I will also apply my concealer on those places as well. Then I'm just going to massage it very lightly into my skin. While my primer sets into my skin, I'm going to do my eyes, and for that I'm using the cream crayon pencil from K Beauty, and this is in the shade Jaded Glow. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just apply it right above my upper lash line, just the way we apply an eyeliner. You don't have to be perfect with this because we are going to smoke it out. Guys, you must get your hands on these cream crayon pencils because they are extremely pigmented, blendable, and so easy to apply. Then I'm going to take my must-have smudge brush from Sephora, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to lightly, in flickering motions only, just blend it and extend it upwards so that we get a beautiful smoked out eyeliner. I'm also going to create an extended wing, as you can see. What I like to also do is clean the brush in the middle at the back of my hand so that we get a clean brush, and we are not just spreading the product upward, and we are actually creating a gradient effect. Once I'm done with that, I'm taking a fluffy brush. The one that I'm using is from MAC 217, and with the loose setting powder or the compact powder that we will be using again a little bit later, I'm just going to tap it on the rest of the eyelid where we applied the eyeshadow base. Like this, we will not be creasing our eyelid, and we will also get a beautiful and seamless look. Notice that I'm only tapping because if I'm swiping, I'm removing the eyeshadow base that we applied, and that's not what we want because it actually has brightened up our eyelid, and that's what we like about it. Then the most important and the star of the show is my Natasha Denona Chroma Crystal Top Coat, and I'm just applying it with my fingers and running it all over my eyelid, even on top of the green eyeshadow. Actually the smoked out eyeliner that we applied, because that is going to add the glam, and that is why I love this top coat, guys. You can honestly use any other loose pigment or like a glitter that you have. And now to intensify our smoked out eyeliner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same smudge brush and take a little bit from the crayon and apply it closest to my top lash line just to enhance the green color. And I would also recommend to tap and not swipe, because the chrome top coat that we applied from Natasha Denona, we don't want to remove it. We want to, apply the green color on top of it. To finish off my eyes, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. The mascara that I will be applying today is from Maybelline, and this is called the Hyper Curl. Now, since this look is extremely quick and, a fast, easy look, we are not going to apply lashes, but it is totally up to you. If you want to apply lashes, please do, because it will just add extra glam to your look. Once I'm done with my eyes, I am going to clean off the color that we have by mistake applied or spread under our eyes, and I'm just taking a Q-tip and sharpening out my extended winged eyeliner as well. To correct my eyes, I'm going to use the Nykaa Blur Stick, and this is in the shade Peach. This is a brilliant corrector, guys. I would highly recommend this for dry skin because this is extremely moisturizing. Now, correcting your under eyes is extremely important, because if you just apply your concealer over your dark circles, then there is a grayness or patchiness that always shows beneath it, and I personally don't like that, and I would not recommend you do that either. Now with my finger, I'm going to just blend it, because this video is all about, doing your makeup fast and looking pretty as well. So I am just blending it with my finger, and I will also make sure that I'm applying the concealer on top of this, because this in this video and for this look, I'm not going to be using a foundation. Now for this look, since we're not using a foundation, I would highly recommend to use a medium to full coverage concealer, because we do want to hide our dark spots and the mistakes of our past life, at least on festive occasions. So today I'm going to use the concealer from Kryolan, and this is the Supra color. The brush that I'm using is from PAC, and this is number 74, guys. This is an amazing brush for concealer application. I'm just going to tap it a little and just tap it under my eyes and on the other places where we applied the corrector. Now this concealer also is very good for dry skin, because it is extremely creamy and moisturizing. Next, I'm taking my damp blender and I'm just going to set everything in. I'm just tapping it so that we just blend everything together. Now, if you have dry skin, since I am talking about concealers and correctors for dry skin, I would not really recommend you apply a primer. However, you should apply an oil because it is winter season and you really want your skin to be hydrated. And with whatever is there on the brush, I'm just going to take it on the places where we did not apply the concealer so that it looks a little bit more united. Now before I set my concealer, I am going to apply my cream contour, and the one that I'm using is from Nykaa. This is in the shade number 7. This is extremely buildable, and it blends like a dream, you guys. This is an amazing contouring stick that I have come across. Again, I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm just running it very, very lightly because we don't want a strong contour, because again, this is a quick look, but we do want to look thin, right? Next to set wherever I have applied the concealer, I am taking the Rimmel compact powder, and this is in the shade Silky Beige, and I'm taking my makeup puff from Tati Beauty. I'm just going to run it along the pan, and whatever is on the makeup sponge, I'm going to apply it on the back of my hand so that I get an even product layered on my makeup sponge. And I'm just going to lightly press it under my eyes and wherever I want to, I have applied the concealer. To set my cream contour, I am taking the Benefit Hoola bronzer because I love this product, and the best part is that it comes with a brush, and this is extremely easy to apply, and this makeup look is all about quick and easy ways of applying the makeup. Next for blush, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Loose Blush, and this is in the shade Mauve Marvel, and the brush that I'm using is from PAC, and this is in 262. I'm going to apply it generously on the apples of my cheeks. And again, with whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to apply it on my chin, a little bit on my forehead, and a little bit on my nose. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Nykaa Glow Getter Highlighting Duo Powder, and this is in the shade 24 Glam 01. I'm going to take my highlighting brush from Sigma, and I'm going to just mix both of them, tap off the excess and apply it on the highest points of my face. What I like to do is I like to apply it on my cheekbone first and then just carry it forward to my brow bone. I also like to run my blush brush all over it again so that I don't have any harsh lines. So I've applied mascara in my lower lashes because it is extremely important to bring your eyes together and make them look beautiful and wider. And now I'm taking the highlighters, the same highlighter and a pencil brush to apply it in the innermost corners of my eye. This will just make my eyes look a little bit more brighter and wider. Now this mascara is amazing for top lashes, but I will not recommend this to apply it on your lower lashes because it just gives you a little bit more clustered and clumps in your lower lashes. Next for my lips, I'm going to take the Kiko Milano lip pencil, and this is in number 403. I am just going to take it and apply it on my lips, of course. I'm just going to outline my lips completely. And for my top lips, I just like to, extend it a little bit upward because my top lips are extremely thin. And the lipstick that I'm going to apply today is from Nykaa. This is the shade Gul. I'm going to apply a very less amount of it, and I'm going to work in sections. I'm also going to blend it simultaneously with the lip pencil that we applied, because this dries out pretty fast. Now, because I want the emphasis to be on my eyes, I prefer to do a nudish sort of a lip. So this is it, guys. I'm just gonna wear my jewelry and I will be right back. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you like this look. Please don't forget to tag me if you end up trying this look for the festive season. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching. And please be safe and happy Diwali.